The most important lesson Dato Sri taught me, first, can I tell you what my upline taught me? The most important lesson he taught me, he said, Patman, never prejudge. Never, 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 never prejudge your prospects. He can be anyone. She can be anyone. If you know Shakira, show the plan to Shakira. Are you guys with me or not? If you know the Prime Minister of your country, do the presentation to the Prime Minister of the country. Don't prejudge. The biggest mistake we make in network marketing is we decide for our prospect. We decide for our prospect. A lot of you in this hall today have not approached some relatives, yes or no? You have not approached some of your family friends, yes or no? You have not approached some of your colleagues in the office, yes or no? Why? You can put it down. I'm not going up on stage in the near future. So, why prejudge? When I saw a doctor with a Mercedes, I showed him the plan. Alright? I see a millionaire, I showed the QNET presentation. You don't know what's going through their mind. Do you understand? You don't know whether they hate their life. You don't know whether they are broke and the Mercedes is not even theirs. You don't know. So why assume? Show the presentation to everyone and anyone. That's what Dato Sri told me. Don't prejudge. So I showed the plan. I entered the clinic. I said, doctor, I'm not feeling well. Check, 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 check. I said, doctor, are you happy working here? She said, excuse me? Are you happy? You are here the whole day looking at sick people. Can I show you a way how you can make your own decisions in life? 15 minutes maximum, doctor. And I'll still pay for consultation. You understand? You must understand the first rule of network marketing is that everyone is your prospect. Everyone is your? Everyone is your? Everyone is your? First rule of networking. Now, some will say yes, some will say no, correct? Yes or no? So? So what? Someone's waiting somewhere. Now, what is the worst word in network marketing is no. No is the worst word lah. And if you are prepared for this word, right, you can be very successful in this business. Don't lie to me. I look at your faces. You all now look confident and radiant and smiling. Oh, no problem. But I know some of you have gone home and cried. I have seen grown adults after receiving a no. It's okay. And then they go home and cry like a baby because somebody said? No. Somebody said? No. Somebody said? No. Somebody said? No. What's wrong with you? It's no. That's all. So the worst thing in network marketing is the word no. That's the worst. The only thing will make you upset is the word no. Now, some people say, no, chief, I'm positive. I can handle the word no. I can handle the word no very well. One no you can handle. Two no's? Still okay? Still okay? Three no's? Four? No, 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 no. It gets to you. Huh? Slowly you feel it inside, you know. Like your heart is broken. Do you understand? Alright? But if you understand this business, as Dato Sri taught me, the word no is normal. The word no is? is. Now, how many no's is normal? 10? 100? 1,000? 1,500? 2,000 no's. How many of you can survive after 2,000 no's? Be honest. Be honest. Cannot lah. 2,000 no's, you look like you'll go into severe depression. Yes or no? You can. Cannot, right? 2,000 no's? Cannot. You? No? Cannot, right? 2,000 no's is tough lah. Alright? It depends. Because I realized that in 15 years, I have received over 2,000 no's. You are shocked, isn't it? Somebody say no to me. But it happens. There are morons out there. You understand or not? And sometimes bad luck, you only approach morons for the first 2 weeks of your journey. So I have approached a lot of morons. And a lot of people have said, no, I'm not interested, Patman. No, not now, Patman. No, this is not my cup of tea. No, I don't believe in this concept. No, it's illegal. No, I don't like your company. No, I don't like your products. No, I don't like your face. No, I had a guy. I showed him the plan. I don't want to join. Why? I don't like your face. I said, okay, close your eyes and sign up lah. You understand or not? You understand? But there are morons out there. You understand or not? Now, this is part of our journey. Have you been rejected in life before? Many times. How many of you went for job interview and get rejected? Have you been rejected? Yes. How many times did your parents say no to you? All right? How many times? Mom, I want this. No. Dad, I want to go out. No. Will you marry me? No. So if you understand this concept that people are going to say no, accept it, embrace it, welcome it, laugh. Do you understand? Right? But don't walk into a presentation, all right, already deciding the guy is going to say no. I've seen some of you when you present, actually, I know you're not going to join, but there's this thing called Rule 3 I have to complete. So please sit down 2 minutes, no, and listen to me. You can't go into a presentation with that kind of negativity. Are you guys with me or not? I go into every presentation until today expecting the person to sign up. Right? And then when they don't sign up, I'm shocked. They say, I'm not interested. What? Why? Which part you don't understand? No, I understand. I'm not interested. But why? This is a great business. I know, but I'm not interested. Why? I am truly shocked when people say no. But some will, some won't. So what? Someone's waiting somewhere. Are you guys with me now? Are you guys with me now? So the greatest lesson Dato taught me, first, never prejudge.